Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings, then tap to connection section. To activate Wi-Fi auto turn it off, you should click to the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. You could select one from the networks, enter the password, tap to connect button, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how you could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi auto turn it off by this way. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold this icon for a while, and by the same way. After that, you could select the network, enter the password, connect, and if you want, you could switch also with all of your previously connected networks. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.